time for us to install our cutting tool, the tap, for making a thread into that hole to fit our bolt. So the pulley tool could be attached for extracting the harmonic balancer off the crankshaft snout. So you could see how tightly this bolt is fitted into that new cut of threads that we have made. It's require a tool to turn it. This is precise, just as the factory will do it. You don't want the bolt to shake in your cut, because if it shakes when the pulley tool is pulling against this harmonic balancer, it's going to rip the thread out again. So it's very important that this bolt is in here very tight. Not very tight, but tight enough for you to turn with a tool. Okay, so I could hear the bolt pressing against the timing cover. Now I'm going to back it out just to see how many threads count are into our fixture. So you can see that bolt is still tight, no movement in it, tight enough for us to turn. bolt. It's about that far into the tapped hole that we have made. Now it's time for do this one. You've already seen how this one have done, so I'm going to reduce the recording of the time and take care of this one on my own. Okay, so we are successful at removing the harmonic balancer, and when we take a look, we want to make sure we capture this keyway. This is what sits in the crankshaft snout for holding the pulley in one position. Now when we look in there, it's a lot of rust. This is from years of all-terrain driving, off-road. When we take a look at this snout right here, we can see a lot of rust build up on it. And of course we have this little plate right here on the timing cover, the timing belt cover. You see it's bent back. That's what the bolt did, because we over screwed it into there, but that's not a problem because this could be straightened out. What's important is that we got this pulley off. Now when you're going to be replacing the new ones, these holes where the bolts are installed, you want to make sure you fill it with silicone, so this way the threads does not corrode and rotten. In the future you should need to remove it. You will not do all this necessary work that we have done here. That is very important. Now it's time for us to clean up this area. I want to remove this timing cover, take an inspection of the timing belt and its component back there. You want to clean up in there also and finish this installation. From here on, it's easy street. Nothing hard, no tough guys. Just walking the way, safe and secure.